Hello everyone, I'm Paul Sambo. Today I'm going to talk about the important ways that will help you to sharpen your talent. Our talents need to be sharpened. Now there are different ways that will help you once you use them to sharpen your talents. One is by practice. We often hear this mantra that practice makes perfect. This saying has been true in the past, is true now, and will be true in the future. If you have a talent, without practice, it is worthless. And if you don't practice, you won't excel or not want to pursue. Everyone that we see is a pioneer in a particular industry, whether it's football, comedy, music, and other industries. All the pioneers that we see, they became the way they are because of practice. So practice is very important, and the practice needs discipline, consistency. You have to practice consistently. It's not practicing only today, then you come to practice after 3 months. You should practice consistently in order to excel and want to pursue. That's very important. Number 2 is by emulating the pioneers. Every industry has pioneers. It is very important if you emulate those who have shown success in that category or in that industry that you want to pursue. For example, if you want to be a comedian, find your role model. Find a person who has succeeded in that industry. If you want to be a musician, an artist, find a person who has excelled in that category or in that industry. Now, by finding your role model and emulating will help you to improve fast. Why? Because you will know what works and what doesn't work. So it is very important if you include these 3 important ways that will help you to excel in what you want to pursue. To repeat, 1 I've said is practice. 2nd I've said is by emulating the pioneers. So it is very important if you find your role models in one of your category or industry that you want to pursue. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.